Welcome to the XEEN lens comparison tests, where we're going to compare the XEEN versus the Canon Cine versus the Zeiss CP2, and then the benchmark of the test, the Cooke S4 primes. We're going to be taking the 50mm and diving into this piece of glass and seeing all the different characteristics of bokeh and contrast and color, resolution, all these subtle nuances, as well as side-by-side and quad screen view. All right, let's get started. So let's look at our settings. We're shooting with the Red Dragon with a standard OLPF filter. Our IRE value, which is the key light on Monet's face, is between 55 and 65. Our color temp on the camera is at 3200 Kelvin, and our shutter angle is at 180 degrees. All right, this is our XEEN 50mm at wide open. Just looking at it overall, she separates nicely from the background. It has a nice kind of glow quality to it. It's looking fairly nice. Let's go, now we're gonna go to the XEEN at a 2. Now I have to say, overall, I was very impressed with the 50mm. I really liked the quality at a T2. The bokeh has got a nice round quality. She has a wonderful glow about her. The 50mm seemed very, very nice. Now we're gonna go to our quad screen. XEEN, greener cast. Canon, slendering of the face, a little more neutral. 2.0 with the Zeiss, a little purplier in the background, neutral, cooler glass. Okay, so now we're going to the XEEN at a 2.8. I like this lens at a 2, at a 2.8. It's looking really, really good. The Canon looks excellent as well. It pushes the background a little further away from her. The Zeiss has a little more of that 3D quality, but her face is a little wider compared to the Canon. And then when we go to the Cooke, a little more slendering, very neutral piece of glass overall. Okay, you're finding the sweet spot of this glass. So right now I'm saying my XEEN sweet spot is between a 2 and a 2.8.5. You bring it into that range and that baby is gonna perform very well for you. And that concludes our XEEN lens comparison tests with the 50mm.